Okay, so what we're being asked to do in this problem is find the area of this composite figure. It's called a composite figure because it's not actually one of our basic shapes that we know an area formula for. It's actually made up of two different figures. We've got a rectangle, and the rectangle is 16 by 30, and we have a semicircle cut out of the top. So since we're removing that semicircle from our rectangle, what we're going to do is we're going to find the area of the rectangle, and then we are going to subtract off the area of the semicircle or half circle. So the area of a rectangle is pretty easy, it's just based on type. And so 16 times 30, 3 times 16 is 48, tack on a 0, so that's 480. The area of the semicircle, though, isn't so obvious because they haven't really directly told us anything about that semicircle. What you have to realize is that since this semicircle begins and ends along the top of this rectangle, it extends with the same distance as this rectangle up here. So since I'm 16 below, I must be 16 above. So that's telling us that this semicircle must have a diameter of 16. And if the diameter is 16, that means the radius must be 8. So now we can do our area of a semicircle, which is half a circle or height, 1/2 pi times radius squared. And we get 1/2 pi times 8 squared. 8 squared is 64. And if I want to find half of something, I simply divide it by 2. And when I do 64 divided by 2, we get exactly 32. So 32 pi is the area of the semicircle or half circle. Okay? So now you might be tempted to subtract 480 minus 32, but that is not 32. That is actually 32 pi. And remember, pi is approximately 3.14, or roughly speaking 3. So if I multiply 32 times 3, I get 96. So that's actually a number much closer to 96, actually even larger than 96. So you cannot subtract 480 minus 32 pi. So you may be asking yourself, so what do I do here? Well, the answer is just leave it alone. The answer is 480 minus 32 pi.